This is a supermarket in Japan. All the food is empty. No food whatsoever. Drinks, they were all out. We have cheeses though, so we can stock up on some cheeses. Good protein. Apart from that, nothing else. Look at that. And the bread, no bread at all. The bakery's out. Oh well. Looks like I'm gonna have an empty stomach today. Good alcohol though. Drink some alcohol, get drunk. Frozen food as well, they sold out. Out of frozen food. This is a pretty big supermarket and it's near enough empty. By tomorrow, if you look at there's anything on the shelves at all. Oh well, everyone's just walking around wondrously looking for food. This is all I can get. Some cucumber and some meat. That's my lunch tonight. Anyway, time out. See you later.